We're asked to find the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 2, and actually you can simply use something called the remainder theorem. By the remainder theorem, the remainder will equal f of minus 2. So you just substitute the negative in here basically, and so that's going to equal minus 2 cubed minus 9 minus 2 squared plus 7 times minus 2 plus 33. I think I'll do it without a calculator, so I'm going to get minus 8 minus 36 minus 14 plus 33. That's going to become minus 58 plus 33, which is minus 25. So that's our answer. Part 2, show that x plus minus 3 is a factor. So this time we're going to do very similar, like we're going to try and kind of find the remainder, but we're expecting the remainder to be 0. So we're going to do f of 3 and show that that's 0. So we'll get 3 cubed minus 9 times 3 squared plus 7 times 3 plus 33. 27 minus 81 plus 21 plus 33. That gives me 48. Add on 33 is 78, 81. So I'm going to get 81 minus 81. I'm going to get 0. So this time by factor theorem says if x minus a, if f of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. And we're now well on our way to be able to solve this equation, because we know, it says giving each root its an exact form as simply as possible. So that kind of tells me maybe the quadratic's not going to factorize. Let's see. I'm going to take this x cubed minus 9x squared plus 7x plus 33, and I'm going to divide it by the factor that I know goes into it. Wait, it was x minus 3, wasn't it? Okay, so some sort of division. I'm going to do polynomial long division. X is into x cubed times back through. Subtract. Bring down. X is into minus 6x squared. Multiply back through. Subtract. Bring down. X is into minus 11x. Multiply back through. Subtract, and we get 0. So now we have the x minus 3 times x squared minus xx minus 11 equals 0. Given each root an exact form as simply as possible, so now all we need to do is we're going to get x equals 3 or x squared minus 6x minus 11 equals 0. For this we can use the quadratic formula, so x must equal minus b, so that's just 6, plus or minus b squared, which is 36, minus 4 times 1 times minus 11, square root all of that, divide by 2, You can get your calculator to just do it all for you, but I'm just going to do it like this. 36 plus 44 is going to give me 80, so root 80 over 2. And they've asked me to leave it as simply as possible, so I'm going to get 3. 6 over 2 is 3, plus or minus root 80 over 4. I can divide the root 80 by 2, bring it inside the third by making it root 4. 3 plus or minus root 20. What did it say? Simply as possible, so we should just simplify this third. And that could be done by taking out the highest square number, which is 4. So it's going to become root 4, root 5, which is 2 root 5. So x equals 3. 3 minus 2 root 5, or 3 plus 2 root 5. Okay, good job.